Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix 4-digit code is not working for TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and here we're going to tap on profile at the bottom right corner. After that, we're going to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. This will pop up, so we're going to choose the last option, settings and privacy. And then we're going to choose the first option, account. And here we got account information, so we're going to tap on it. And then tap on phone number. This will pop up, and if you choose one of these two options, it's going to send you a 4-digit code to complete the process. But if it doesn't, here first, what we're going to do to fix that problem is to make sure that your phone ends with 28. So your phone number is the same as this one. Or you can just wait a little bit to receive that code, because sometimes it takes some time to send that 4-digit code. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.